Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Plant Systematics class. Let's wrap up the discussion of family Brassicaceae. We have discussed most of it right from its diagnostic characters, and then in general characters we have discussed its distribution, habit, vegetative characters, root, stem and leaves, and then inflorescence, flower, and the four whorls of the flower, starting from calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. So now we are going to discuss its fruit. So the fruit of the family Brassicaceae, as we have seen in diagnostic characters, it is siliqua. Siliqua, also known as silic, something like this. So siliqua or silic, and the other variation is silicula. And the difference between these two fruit, the siliqua or silic and silicula, is the length and width of the fruit. Siliqua is a longer fruit, narrow and long, something like this, whereas the silicula is a broad fruit, a triangular shaped fruit like in shepherd's purse. So its length is not great and it is much wider or broader as compared to silic or siliqua. So here is the diagram of the two fruits. So as you can see, we have siliqua on the left and silicula on the right. Both of these fruits form from a bicarpillary syncarpous ovary, which is unilocular in the beginning but becomes bilocular due to this. This is the partition, the septum, which forms later and divides the fruit into two chambers. And it is known as rhipium. The seeds, as you can see, they are clearly seen attached to this rhipium. So these are the two fruits, common fruits of the family Brassicaceae. The siliqua, it opens as well as both of them, the siliqua and silicula, from both the sutures, dorsal as well as ventral. Now, we sometimes designate the two sides of the fruit as dorsal and ventral. For example, in a pod, like in a pea pod, the side to which the placenta are attached, for example, here are the placenta, and to this placenta ovules are attached. So this particular side, and this is the opposite side. Now this side is known as the ventral suture, and this side is known as dorsal suture. So as you can see, this particular fruit, it dehisces from both the sides. So ventral and dorsal sutures, this side as well as this side splits up. It opens from below upwards. As you can see, both the sides, the dorsal as well as the ventral side, they have split open to release the seeds, but the seeds are attached to rhipium. So this is siliqua and silicula, the fruit of the family Brassicaceae, which we have already discussed in its diagnostic characters, which forms from a bicarpillary syncarpous ovary, and this is what we have also discussed in the carpal, that the ovary is unilocular in the beginning, but it becomes bilocular due to the formation of a false septum to which the seeds are attached when the fruit opens up, and it is known as rhipium. So this was the discussion of the fruit, and finally seed. The seeds of family Brassicaceae are albuminous, that is endospermic. albuminous and endospermic, and there are many seeds per fruit. The fruit contains many seeds. So seeds are albuminous and many in the fruit. So this was the seed and fruit, and finally its floral formula. Floral formula of the family Brassicaceae. So we start with the symmetry. So we have actinomorphic flowers, and the flowers are bisexual. Both stamens and carpels are present. So actinomorphic, bisexual, and then calyx, as we have seen, calyx are 2 plus 2. So we have two whorls of calyx. C 4, and A, we have 2 plus 4. Two outer stamens which are short and four inner stamens which are long or longer. And finally G, the gynoecium, which is 2, and it is bicarpal racine carpus, and the ovary is superior. So when ovary is superior, the line is drawn below the G, or the symbol of the ovary. So this is it. Let's shrink it a little so we can see all the formula. So it is actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 4 but in two whorls of 2 and 2. Corolla are also 4. Androecium are tetradynamous, 2 plus 4, 2 outer, short, 4 inner, long, and G2 united, bicarpal racine carpus, and ovary is superior. So this concludes our discussion of family Brassicaceae. Hopefully we will be back with the discussion of a new family. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.